Good morning, everyone. I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, level 2, 18 problems completed. Now this is a 19th question. Students, see the 19th question. There are two expansions. Sum of two expansions we need to find. So 2 minus root 5 whole power 6 plus 2 plus 5 whole power 6. After expansion, sum of the terms is going to cancel. What are the remaining terms? I'm writing here. Those are 2 times into 6C0, 2 power 6, plus 6C2, 2 power 4 into root 5 whole square, 6C4, 2 power 6 minus 4, that is 2 square, root 5 whole power 4 plus 6C6 root 5 whole power 6. This is total expansion. Now calculate this. 2 into 6C0, 1. 2 power 6 means 2 to the 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. What is 6C2? 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, that is 15. 2 power 4 means 16. Root 5 whole square, that is 5, plus 6C4, 15 into 2 square, 4. Root 5 whole power 4 mean, that is 5 square. 5 square value 25, plus 6C6, 1. Root 5 whole power 6, that is 5 cube. That is 125. Okay, students. Now calculate this. 2 into 64 plus 15 into 16 into 5. How much approximately? 15 into 16 into 5. This is 1200. 1200 plus 15 into 25 into 4. This is 1500 plus 125. Overall, see students, 1500 plus 1200 plus 125 plus 64. So total, that is 2889. This is okay. So multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. So we get 5778. This is the answer. Here they didn't give any step. Only they are asking the value of 2 minus root 5 whole power 6 plus 2 plus root 5 whole power 6. So fourth option correct. In that expansion, 6C1, 6C3, 6C5, those terms is going to cancel because in this expansion, those values are negative. In this expansion, those values are positive. Positive, negative is going to cancel or not. So finally, fourth option correct. See the next question, what they are given. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus 4b whole cube plus a minus 4b whole cube whole square. Here they are asking number of terms. How to identify, students? See here. A plus 4b whole cube. How to write? That is in the form of a plus b whole cube or not? Okay. Expand in that way. or follow the binomial expansion. 3c0 a cube plus 3c1 a square into 4b plus 3c2 a into 4b whole square plus 3c3 4b whole cube. This is first expansion. Now go to the second expansion, same like that. 3c0 into a cube minus 3c1 a square into 4b plus 3c2 a into 4b whole square minus 3c3 into 4b whole cube. These are the terms. Okay. Now observe the calculation. This is and this. This is this. Going to cancel. Remaining, what are the terms? But those are repeated. So write like this. 2 times now, but power square is there. Power square. 2 square, 4. I am taking outside 4. Now remaining 3c0 a cube plus 3c2 into a 4b whole square 4b whole square. Next c0 c2, only 2 terms left, whole square whole square. This is a binomial expansion or not? Number of terms, number of terms. What is the answer, students? N plus 1 or not? N plus 1 or not? In place of n, what is it? 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. There are 3 terms in that expansion after calculation. The coefficient of x power 17 in the expansion of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and so on, x minus 18. See here, already we know the direct formula, minus of n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula, minus of n into n plus 1 by 2. That means sum of the coefficients only. Okay, so here x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into, how many terms are there? 18 terms. That means the polynomial equation having the roots 18. That means this is 18th degree polynomial equation. So we get the answer like this, x power 18 minus sum of the roots, that means 1, sigma 1, or you can write sigma k, where k is equal to 1 to 18, 1 to 18 into x power 17 plus, next term students, k into k plus 1. That means sum of product of the roots taken 2 at a time. At the time k is equal to 1 to 18, here will come x power 16 minus, and so on. The last one is product of the roots. Product of the roots means 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on up to 18. Yes or no? So we are writing like this, x power 18 minus s1 into x power 17 plus S2 into x power 16 minus S3 into x power 15. At the last term, what is that? Sn. That means S18. That means product of the roots. Here they are asking coefficient of x power 17. Coefficient of x power 17. What is the answer, students? Minus sigma k is equal to 1 to 18. That means sum of 18 natural numbers. 18 into 18 plus 1 by 2. Now this is minus 9 into 19. Okay, so which option correct, students? Tell me. 19, 9, sir. How much? 171. So answer is minus 171. Second option. If you want shortcut formula, note down that. What is the shortcut formula? X power 7, x power 17 coefficient minus n into n plus 1 by 2. This is shortcut formula. So finally, second option correct. Here, A0 is missing in this question. Here, A0 is missing. That means they are done one-time derivative. Yes or no? And A1, A2, A3 and so on, 2n, A2n. The numbers are in particular order only. But in place of x, I think they are substituted minus 1. Minus 1. Finally, this answer is f dash of minus 1. This is shortcut formula. Okay. So students, first tell me what is f of x? F of x, the given expansion. What is that? 1 plus x square whole power n. Now do the differentiate with respect to x. Then what happens? See, f dash of x, n into 1 plus x square whole power n minus 1, internal derivative 1 plus 2x. Okay. Now what is f dash of minus 1? Just in place of x substitute minus 1. 1 minus 1. Here is a square missing. Minus 1 whole square, that is 1 whole power n minus 1 into 1 minus 2. So overall do the calculation, you will get minus n. This is f dash of minus 1 value minus n. F dash of minus 1 means that is a1 minus 2a2 plus 3a3 minus and so on. The last term is minus 2n into a2n. So that value is finally minus n. We got fourth option correct. See the question number 15. What they are given? Capital R is equal to capital R given. How much? 5 root 5 plus 11 whole power 2n plus 1. This is capital. And here small f given. What is that? R minus step R. So let small f is equal to 5 root 5 minus 11 whole power 2n plus 1. Take the conjugate. But what they are asking students? R into small f. Both multiply. 5 root 5 plus 11 whole power 2n plus 1. 5 root 5 minus 11 whole power 2n plus 1. Here powers are equal, bases multiply. 5 root 5 into 5 root 5. 5 root 5 whole square, that is 125, minus 11 square, 121, whole power 2n plus 1. So finally, answer is 4 power 2n plus 1. This answer. Which option correct, students? Fourth option. To self-working. How to do this? Here they are given I plus f. I plus f. I plus f value is 6 plus root 3 root 35 whole power n. And here take that, let small f, that is equal to 6 minus root 35 whole power n. This is assumption. Capital F given, take small f. Take small f. Here small f is equal to 1 minus capital F only. How we know that? How we know that? Add these two terms, I plus capital F plus small f. Small f. So what happened, students? See here, 6 plus root 35 whole power n plus 6 minus root 35 whole power n. What happened? Some of the terms is going to cancel or not? So what are the remaining terms? 2 into NC0, 6 power n, plus NC2, 6 power n minus 2 into root 35 whole square. NC0, NC2, NC4, NC6, and so on. These terms are remaining. And this is observed that 2 into some value. That value should be integer. That value should be integer. 2 into integer mean that is even integer or odd integer? This is even integer only. Even integer. And here already given clearly 0 less than capital F less than 1. Okay, that value is lies between. Same like that. Small f also lies between 0 to 1 only. Now add these two, then what happened? 0 less than capital F plus small f less than 2. So this is totally even integer. That means integer plus integer we get integer only. So here already given I is an integer. I is an integer. Then what about f plus f? I integer means f plus f is also integer. Yes or no? Then only we get the integer. F plus f is also integer. Now finally, see here, f plus f value is lies between 0 to 2. In between 0 to 2, what is the integer, students? What is the integer? 1 only now. Now what is f? 1 minus capital F. This is we need. Okay. But see the question, what they are asking, I plus capital F into 1 minus capital F. Okay. Now I plus capital F into 1 minus capital F. I plus capital F into 1 minus capital F means that is small f. Now write the values. I plus capital F value already given, 6 plus root 35 root 35 whole power n. Whole power n. Then what is small f, students? 6 minus root 35 whole power n. See here, powers are equal, bases multiply. 36 minus 35 whole power n. That value should be 1. 1 is the answer. So which option correct? First option.